Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So here we have a Jeep, I believe it's a Jeep Grand Cherokee 2008. You can see we got some really bad oxidation, especially right here. This side, pretty much everything is gone as far as the old clear coat. So you can kind of see the difference. So this one right here, all of the clear coat's gone. You can see how smooth it is. There's no severe oxidation or anything. There's no clear spots. Whereas over here, you have a little, it's kind of clear right there, and you can feel it, it's textured. So when you feel it, that's considered severe oxidation. And then when it's clear, that's old leftover clear coat. And then over here is just the raw headlight, which is a thin layer of oxidation. So this is a contactless one, so I won't be able to pop the hood or anything, but I'll be able to get up here. We're also gonna do the fog lights too. Fog lights are severely oxidized. We'll probably end up using 320 on those. But regardless of the fact, it's gonna look much better. So let's do it. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. You can see it came out great. There's a little bit of flaking right here on the bottom. This is from this orange side. You can see it kind of all along the bottom. It has some tape left over right here, but I'm going to wait until it's a little bit more dry. Fog lights, looks like they might be burnt on the inside. You can see there's a little hue right here. Could just be from the bulb, if the bulb's too powerful. Side, same thing, just sprayed it. You can see there's a little burn mark right here. I don't know how well you can see that on the camera, but it came out great. Same thing with the fog light on this side. It's a little hue. You can see there's like burn stuff on the bottom, like residue or something. So regardless of the fact, it came out much better, and I can guarantee they're going to see 10 times better at night. So this is one little thing right here you guys always got to look out for in case you were taping. Make sure you let the customer know prior to taping, just say, hey, there's some paint coming up right here. It might come up with the tape. Just cover yourself. Some right there too. But thanks for watching.